boys. It's practice. Practice, 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 practice. Anybody can do anything they want to in life. All you gotta do is make it happen. Go work for it. You can get anything you want to in life if you work for it. I'm telling you, right now. That dream job you want, start working towards it. Like, just go do whatever you gotta do to make it happen. Like, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Crawfish is raw. I know his arms be getting tired, and his legs, man, like this whole body. Hey, try staggered. No? Try staggered. Staggered. No, I'm saying. No. Like. No? Alright, that worked. Look at him, got his foot up there. I got you. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! That was hype! Swerve on these hoes, boy! Swerve on them, heard? You heard? Let's go! Gotta love it, baby. The energy out here is litty titty. Litty titty, boys. Litty titty. Let me tell you. Hey, we all three had them up. We all three had them up. Ah, it flew. You ready? I got you, baby. That was ass. Alright. Chill, I can see his speedo. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Better wilding with it. Yeah. Hell yeah. Come on up here. Bro, please tell me my camera's still recording.
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Bro, we all three had them up for a minute back there.
That's how I got out of your way. I gotta go first.
I'm talking about way back there before that. What?
If the Austin Racing full system isn't as low.
For real? It's a full system though, ain't it?
Yeah.
So theoretically it should be louder.
Yeah. The pipe should be a little bit, the header should be a little bit bigger. And it's a shorter pipe too.
Yeah.
See, I got you on that, didn't I?
Yeah, you did. Oh, that's that shit.
When you think about it, you're like, oh shit, you're right.
You're like, damn, I am getting some of that gas, huh?
Yeah.
I don't want none of that 87. That ain't good enough for me. Woo! Here you go. You sure? Oh. Yeah. Yes, sir. It's beautiful.
Just like wheelie past me and then I'll match you.
Alright. Let's see. Oh no, I killed it. Get her cool off. Woohoo! Boy, that was sexy. Now you're just showing off. Clean R1M. Finally got the exhaust, don't sound like a moped no more, baby. Listen to it. got you. Wait till we hit this straight. Straight fire, my boy. Good, baby. Bring it on up. For sure. This 600 right here sounds good. Y'all know I got my love for my 600s. I got one, baby, and I love it. I love riding it. The sound they make is just F1 car type deal.
Yeah.